Paano ka naman napasok sa mundo ng spirituality?
Lahat tayo merong awakening story.
Yeah,
Pero syempre during the time na nag-awakening ka, hindi mo alam na nag-awakening ka,
totoo.
no? So that's why I came up with an article sometime in 2019. Ginawa ko siyang parang nakita ko yung framework based dun sa nangyari sa akin and sa interviews ko din sa mga ibang tao. So nagawan ko siya ng framework. So yun yung i-share ko, no. Yung sa akin nangyari, ano kasi, pwedeng opening of the mind, magising ka.
Mm.
Katulad mo, probably opening of the mind kasi sabi mo, nerd ka, mahilig ka mag-aral, opening of the mind, di ba? Yung sa akin naman, it was more of breaking of the heart.
Ooh. Oo.
So, series of unfortunate events, no, sometime in 2014 to 2017. In astrology, we call it the Saturn return.
Saturn return. Pag-usapan din natin yan. Okay.
So, the process of Saturn return, yun yung naging catalyst for my awakening. I started questioning, kasi akala ko dati I got life figured out already eh. Nagka-TV show ka na, may negosyo ka, maganda yung trabaho, may day job pa ako, tapos gimikero pa ako, hilig ko mag-clubbing. Akala ko I got life figured out. And nung nangyari yung mga series na yun of unfortunate events nga, I started questioning, is there more to life than just this? Who am I? What am I doing here? Where am I going from here? I wrestled with these existential questions. And as I seek for answers to these existential questions, yun na pala yung process ng spirituality or nung awakening mo, then you will have to go through the dark night of the soul. Sometimes several times. So hindi siya, ang akala ng mga tao rin ngayon, akala nila spirituality is all about manifesting, all about
meditation,
magbibihis ka ng spiritual.
Hindi.
Hindi eh. It makes the journey interesting yung mga yun. But yung real journey is yung process ng pagbabalat sa'yo.
Totoo.
Kailangan mo ma-strip off sa lahat ng mga, sabi mo nga, label sa identities mo. And nangyayari yon through breaking of the heart. So, when your heart is broken, what's left there, what's remaining there, is your divinity eh. And then dun mo lang marirealize your true nature, your divine nature. So, kailangan talaga siya. So, parang ganun yung naging process ng awakening ko.